So to assemble a rose, first you take your calyx, you clip the stem, pull the bottom of it off, and you can just poke through it with a skewer, just to make it easier for the actual stem. Take a stem, kind of twist it through. Okay, just kind of hold the bottom again and kind of twist it around so it wraps around it. So you're going to bring it up to almost the top, and then take your hot glue, just spread it along this top end. And then just shove it in to about there. You can twist it again to make sure it's all the way in. Just make sure it's flat so you have space for the rose on the top. Okay, so while that's drying, so basically you're going to take the leaf, glue it onto here, stick it on there, and then you can glue the rose itself on. Why don't I show that too? I like to put the rose on first, because from there you can kind of gauge how far down you want the leaf. So I'm just going to make sure this is nice and flat. There's no glue on here yet. I'm just going to take a look at it so I know which position I want the rose to be in. That seems okay to me. So to put the rose on, I'm just going to put glue along the top of this. Kind of rotating like that. And then just going to stick it on so it won't fall off. Okay, sometimes I press a little on the bottom there. That's looking pretty good to me. And then, yeah, and I can kind of gauge what looks natural for putting the leaf on. So I think this one I'll probably put about here. So here I'm just going to put the glue onto the leaf itself. You want enough so it doesn't fall off there. And then I think I said right about here, so let's do that. And this one you're going to just press and hold it until it's dry. Okay, it still needs to dry a little, but there is one origami rose.